So, dito naman tayo ngayon sa Alliston.
Did you say the show home?
Yeah.
It's like 7.
Ha? No. The show homes starting at 660 and but as is 799. Yeah. Ito. Sabi ni Marie, parang bayad daw namin to. So, ito yung hindi iba eh. Ito yung entrance nila. Tapos, ito yung garahe. Can you move? Ito yung garahe. Tapos, main entrance. Entryway. I know. Oh, ito yung washroom. Maliit lang yung washroom nila. Parang powder room. Maliit lang siya.
Wait till she sees the other house. She'll see things like ours.
Ah. Mga for the jackets. Ito, basement siguro to. Aray ko. Ay, hindi. Closet ulit. So, ito yung hagdan. Open to below siya. Ayan, open to below. Ano to, basement? Ito siguro yung sa basement. Wait. Ah, ito yung basement. Hindi siya developed. Ha? Ano rin? Closet ulit. Dalawa. Dalawang closet. Closet din to. Tapos ito washroom. Washroom, closet, and then closet. Yes. Yes. Ito yung kitchen. Hindi naman parang bahay natin.
It's reverse though.
Iba.
Which goes to next one.
Yeah. Ayan. Siguro kasi yung flooring, light colored yung flooring.
Yeah.
Tapos, ito yung pantry nila. Hindi siya walk-through pantry. Walk-through ba tawag mo? Ito walk-in. Ito yung pantry nila.
Walk inside.
Ito yung kitchen. Pareho nung ano natin, Rich. Ng stove. Pareho ng stove.
Is it?
Yeah. Ayan.
I don't know. I don't cook much.
Maliit yung sink. 2 years na tayo nakatira sa bahay, hindi mo alam itsura ng stove
It
natin.
is nice. An angle.
Yeah. So, ito yung dining. Tapos, ito yung living room. Tapos, ito yung deck nila, palabas ng dining. Gusto ko yung dining kasi may ano.
Did you say it was a finished basement or not?
It's not finished.
Not?
It's not finished.
Yeah.
So, let's go to the second floor naman. Mabagal yung kasunod natin. Injured. Magkano daw yung bahay na to, babes? 700 plus. No, 700 plus. You can build this. Kasi walk-out basement din siya. Ayan o.
In terms of size, physical.
Yeah.
Base is not finished.
Open to below. Ayan pala yung tawag dyan. Open to below. Nakalimutan ko. Ayan. Oh, ano to? Master's bedroom kagad. Okay.
Nice.
Nasa loob yung closet.
It is. I like that.
2 sinks again. His and hers. Tapos may tub dito. At, I like that. Pag hindi ka makatayo.
You can sit in this.
Yeah. Bagay sa iyo yan, babes. Yung shower. Pag matanda na tayo, yan ang bagay sa atin. Kasi ito yung ano nila. Merong door. Yung toilet, which is nice. And ito yung walk-in closet.
Nice.
Nasa loob siya ng washroom. Yan. Alright. Mga nasa 700 yata to. Not sure kung anong exact price.
What's this?
Tab.
Bakit hindi sa gitna?
What do you mean? Yung ano? May mga ganyan eh. Iba nga andito pa. Ayoko. Yun ang pinaka-ayoko.
It's not a freestanding tub.
Yeah, it's not.
It's built-in.
Yeah. So, ito yung second bedroom. para sa mga bata. Yung closet. Yan. Ito yung gantong closet, hindi ko masyadong type. Kasi nakakatakot, nakakaipit ng kamay dito. Ayoko ng gantong klaseng closet. Nakakaipit ng kamay, delikado sa mga bata. Ito yung third bedroom. Decent size. Ito yung third bedroom.
Yeah, it's similar.
Washroom.
3 bedrooms upstairs with the family room.
Yung family room nasa ano doon, nasa gilid. Hindi nasa gitna.
It's nice. Not bad.
Laki laki ng bonus room nila.
I like this. It's nice too.
Oh, yung laundry nasa loob ng hindi pala. Katabi ng bonus room. Pareho ng ano natin. Babes, pareho ng ano natin.
Yeah.
Yeah. Guys, yung aming, ano to? Dryer, nasira. Ayaw na mag-init. Anong gagawin namin? I don't know. Hindi namin alam kung anong gagawin. Kasi ito yung ano nila. Merong ding mga cabinet. Yung laundry.
Dryer and the things away from the bedrooms is quieter.
Hindi na masyadong maingay yun. It doesn't bother me. Yung tunog ng mga washer at dryer. Okay. Let's go down. I wanna see the basement. Kahit hindi finish. Kung gaano kalaki.
Can you just show me here?
Yeah. Ayaw na ni Richard. Yeah, let's go to the basement. Even if it's not finished. I wanna see kung gaano kalaki. Here. Okay. Oh. Bakit? Ay. Oh. Ito yung furnace. Hindi. Ito yun. Walkout basement. Tapos merong sliding door. Malaki din siya. Okay, akit na tayo. There. Let's go.
How is it? How big is it? The basement?
It's big.
Doors.
I'll show you later. Dito tayo sa Homes by Creation. Ito yung ano nila. Schedule nila kapag gusto nyo i-view yung show homes. Tingnan natin to. Yeah, I did. Ito pala yung pasukan. Dito tayo. Entryway. Ito yung parang bahay namin. Ito yung parang bahay natin, Rich.
Yeah.
Kaya lang yung ano nila, hindi nila in-upgrade tong ano, fireplace. Wala. Parang pareho to nung ano, nung show homes dun sa corner before, no? Ito lang ang mga bahay ngayon dito. Ang lilit ng mga backyard na. Maswertehan namin yung malaking backyard.
Is it finished basement?
I don't know. Yeah. Ito yung pantry. Tapos may extra room dito. Kaya andun yung radio station. Yung washroom. May basement. Tingnan natin yung basement kung gaano kalaki. Uy, malaki yung basement. Malaki siya, ah. Malaki.
back in and then we can, you know, sit.
Yeah, she's supposed to come up this weekend, so we might actually be back up.
Yeah, ask her to come back.
Thank you. Let's go this way. Let's go see them.
Got everything.
You got your bag
Sign
ready?
everything here and got your little duty bag.
Yeah, we don't have to for PC.
Okay.
Closet. Ito yung first bedroom. Walang bonus room to. Tapos ito yung washroom.
She's been on my bucket list every time I hear her.
Second. Walang ano, babes. Bonus room. Second bedroom.
Yeah, we're giving away some gift cards. And then if you do, that's what.
Tapos ito yung...
So drawing for gift cards. So if you do.
Dito yung laundry. Bakit ganun? Walang bonus room.
So when you eat,
Yeah. Ito yung master's bedroom. And then walk-in closet. Ha? Ito yung washroom nila. Isa lang yung sink. Ang maliit siya actually. Tanong natin kung magkano to. Okay, tanong natin kung magkano kung bahay na to. So, ito yung washroom. So, ito yung kanilang mudroom. Meron kami nakuha na food voucher. So, we're gonna get some food here.
did you tell anybody?
Homes by Creation. I don't know. Kaya I'm gonna ask her. Punta tayo sa kanila babaya. Oh, Homes by Creation. Pwede naman siya kumuha dyan. No? Let's get some food. Dito. So, ito yung mga bahay. Exquisite. Babe, sa mga exquisite homes talaga, ano sila, stucco daw. Stucco sila. Kaya ganyan yung ano nila, oh. Kaya pala, yan, oh. Hindi sidings. Tapos, ito yung, ano to? Alliston. Mga lane homes. Nasa likod yung garahe. So, ito yung community nila. We're going to our car now. And guys, we're done. Papauwi na kami. At ang mga bahay talaga dito nagtaas na. Yung pinakamurang bahay na sinabi nila yung lot.
$499.
Ah, $499 pero ano yun?
That's
Lane.
that's the lane home.
Lane homes pero maliit yun. Sobrang liit nun. Tapos yung isa 620 ano bungalow. Starting yun. So grabe. Mga 620, ano yun? 700, 720 ganyan mga presyo dito. Eh, yung bahay namin, magkano namin nabili? No, yung bahay namin, nabili namin siya ng 565. Pero yung backyard namin napakalaki. Dito ngayon, wala ka mahanap na ganun. Yung mga backyard nila maliliit lang. As in sobra. Kahit yung square footage nila maliliit lang din. Yung bahay naman namin, hindi sila ganun kalaki yung square footage. Pero, yun nga, yung backyard is sobrang laki. So, yun lang. Dito sa Crossfield yan. And talagang nagmamahala ng mga bahay ngayon.